Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your girl Abby, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your Notion icons to match your branding and your aesthetic. Be sure to stick around and watch the whole video because I will be sharing a free download that will give you access to Notion icons that you can use for your social media planning. Perfect for all you content creators and entrepreneurs out there. But first, hold up. If you're new to my channel or returning and have yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and get comfortable. I'm a business systems coach, a full-time entrepreneur, and a single mom to a 2-year-old toddler. Subscribe to my channel to get some of my best productivity tips, to learn how to use Notion as an entrepreneur or Notion for business, and to set up systems and streamline processes in your business. But jumping right into today's video, if you are watching this video, I assume that you know what Notion is, but if you do not know what Notion is, feel free to watch some of my previous videos that I posted that gives you an introduction to the online tool, and I'll be sure to link those videos as well in the description. So to use and update your Notion icons in your Notion account, there are basically 3 ways that you can do it. The first way is to use the icons or the emojis that they already have available for you right there inside of Notion. The second way is to upload your own image that you can use as an icon. And then the third way is to just insert a link of a photo from a web page. So I will go over each of those in detail, but let me know in the comments below, what is your go-to way of changing or updating your icons on Notion? Let me know in the comments. So the first way, and really the simplest way to do it, is to go ahead and use the emojis or the icons that they have available for you in Notion. So the way you do that is you just go ahead and click on the icon or click add icon, and then you just select what you want. You select, there are tons available, a lot of different emojis. Pretty much all the emojis you find in your phone are going to be on Notion. Now, what happens if they don't have exactly what you're looking for, or you want something a little bit different? Not to worry, that moves us into way number 2, which is to upload your own image. Now for this way, you can easily create your own icons on free online tools such as Canva or PicMonkey, or you can use paid tools such as Photoshop, or if you don't want to create your own, you can just download icons from online websites that have free icons available and paid icons. The benefit of creating your own in a tool such as Canva is that you can make the icons match your own brand identity or your own aesthetics. So say your brand colors are very specific and you really want your icons to match that and you can't find it anywhere online, and of course Notion doesn't have it available for you, then you can create it on Canva, download it, and just upload it yourself if you're going for a very specific, aesthetic for your Notion. So now I created some general icons that I use for my Notion account that are for social media, so it'll be great for entrepreneurs out there or content creators, and I will share that with you. So if you click the link below in the description box and sign up, I will send you an email with the PNG icons in case you just want to download them and save them on your computer and upload them each time. I actually keep a folder on my desktop that has the icons available for me, and also I will share with you the Canva template. That way if you want to go in and customize or add your own icons, it's already pre-formatted with the correct sizing for the icon that is recommended by Notion. So now let me just get on my computer and quickly walk you through how to do this on Canva, and we will come back and I will share with you the third way of updating your icons on Notion. Okay, so here we are. Quickly, I just wanted to show you when you click the link below, it will take you to this page, and all you would need to do is put your first name and your email address, and I will go and send you this PDF here. So when you get this PDF, the first thing you'll see is if you want to go ahead and just download the icons, the PNG icons that I already created, and you just want to upload them into your Notion, you just would click here and it'll take you to this Google Drive folder, and you can download them individually, or you can download all, or just add them to your own Google Drive. But what I would like to walk you through here is how you can access the Canva template and customize your own. So when you click here, it will take you to the template, and Canva is free to use. However, just keep in mind some of their icons or images are only available to their pro members, and you can sign up for a free Canva account or try out a pro account free for 30 days by clicking here. So when you click here, it will take you to this template, and you will automatically just copy it for you. So these are the ones that I already created, but let's say you wanted to create your own. you can just go to add new and say you wanted to add Instagram. So you'll see these are all free. These two are free. This one is pro. So if you have a free account, you can just use one of the free ones. When you see this pop up here, it means that you can change the color. So you would just click there and you would make it your own brand color. You go to download and you want to make sure it is PNG, and you can select what page you want to download or if you want to download all of them. All right, so way number 3 of updating your Notion icons is by copying and pasting a link from a website. And yes, it's really that easy and that simple. You find the image that you want to use, you right click and you copy the image address, and you just go ahead and paste that link into the link section box of Notion. So now inside the PDF download that I have for you will be a link to a web page I created that has some free Notion icons that you can use for your own account, and they're mainly social media icons. So all you need to do is just right click the image, copy the image address, and then paste it into Notion. And if this is something you're going to be using a lot, I would recommend that you bookmark the page so you can continuously use it. The third way that you can update the icons or customize your icons in Notion is by copying a link of an image and pasting it right into Notion. So if you click here, you will get access to this web page I created that has the links already, or some of these icons already on there. Take you to this page, and let's just say you wanted to use this YouTube one. You just right click, copy image address, and let's say you're in Notion here, you go to add icon, and here the link spot is where you would just go ahead and paste the link, hit submit, and there you have the icon. And just to show you the other ways, this is where you would go ahead and upload an image. You just choose the image, and this is where you will select your emoji, and you can even search for what emoji you are looking for there. So there you have it, 3 easy ways that you can customize your Notion icons to match your brand or your aesthetic. And if you'd like access to the free download I mentioned that gives you the social icons in PNG form, the editable Canva template, and also the link to the webpage that gives you the icons that you can use as well, all you need to do is click the link below and let me know where you'd like me to send it to. And once you've done all that, be sure to check out my previous video on how to organize and build your brand identity using a Notion brand board template I created. It's also a free template that you can download, so go ahead and check out that video. And of course, if you found this video useful at all or found it enjoyable, please give me a thumbs up below. It helps me out a great deal here on YouTube and it costs you nothing. And subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos from me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.